Are you leaving money on the table with your cash? In today's economic climate, making your money work for you is more important than ever. You might have heard about high-yield savings accounts, certificates of deposit, or even money market funds as places to park your cash and earn a bit of interest. But have you ever considered Vanguard Cash Plus? It's a popular option for those looking for potentially higher returns than traditional savings accounts, while still maintaining a relatively low-risk profile. Now, if you're thinking about putting your money into Vanguard Cash Plus, one of the first questions that likely pops into your head is, how often do I actually get to see those returns? When does that interest, that extra bit of cash, actually land in my account? That's exactly what we're going to dive deep into today. We'll break down the distribution schedule for Vanguard Cash Plus, understand the factors that influence it, and make sure you have all the information you need to manage your money effectively. Before we get into the specifics of Vanguard Cash Plus, let's quickly touch upon why understanding distribution frequency matters. Imagine you're relying on the returns from your cash holdings for a specific purpose. Maybe it's supplementing your monthly income, or you're saving up for a short-term goal like a down payment on a car. Knowing when those returns are distributed allows you to plan your finances accordingly. So, what exactly is Vanguard Cash Plus? It's a sweep option offered by Vanguard Brokerage Services. When you have uninvested cash in your Vanguard brokerage account, instead of just sitting there earning little to no interest, it can be automatically swept into Vanguard Cash Plus. This essentially means your cash is being used to purchase shares of one or more money market funds. These funds invest in short-term, high-quality debt securities, aiming to provide a stable value and generate income. The specific money market funds that make up Vanguard Cash Plus can vary, and this is an important point to keep in mind. Vanguard uses a tiered system based on your account balance. Generally, lower balances are swept into the Vanguard Federal Money Market Fund, while higher balances might be swept into other government or treasury money market funds that could potentially offer slightly higher yields. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. How often are returns distributed on Vanguard Cash Plus? The answer is, typically monthly. Vanguard Cash Plus aims to distribute income to its shareholders on a monthly basis. This means that around the end of each month, the dividends or interest earned by the underlying money market funds are usually credited to your Vanguard brokerage account. However, there are a few important nuances to understand. 1. Declaration date, record date, and payment date. When a fund distributes income, there are usually 3 key dates involved. Declaration date, record date, payment date. 2. End of month timing. While monthly is the general rule, the exact day at the end of the month when the distribution occurs can vary slightly. It usually falls on the last business day of the month or the business day immediately following. You'll want to keep an eye on your account statements for the specific dates each month. 3. Weekend and holiday considerations. If the last day of the month falls on a weekend or a market holiday, the distribution might be processed on the next business day. This is a standard practice across most financial institutions. 4. Compounding. The monthly distributions you receive from Vanguard Cash Plus are typically reinvested back into your Cash Plus balance, purchasing additional shares of the underlying money market fund. This is where the power of compounding comes in, albeit on a smaller scale compared to higher growth investments. Each month, you'll be earning returns not only on your initial principal but also on the accumulated returns from previous months. 5. Fluctuating yields and distribution amounts. It's crucial to remember that the yield on money market funds, and therefore the amount of the monthly distribution you receive, is not fixed. It will fluctuate based on prevailing interest rates and the performance of the short-term debt securities held by the funds. So, while the distribution frequency is generally monthly, the amount of each distribution will likely vary. How to find the exact distribution information? While the general rule is monthly distributions, if you want to confirm the specific distribution schedule for the particular Vanguard Cash Plus option your funds are swept into, here's how you can typically find that information. Vanguard website. Your account statements. Vanguard Client Services. Why monthly distributions are common for money market funds. Monthly distribution frequency is a fairly standard practice for money market funds. This aligns with the short-term nature of their investments. The underlying securities they hold typically mature relatively quickly, generating income that can then be passed on to shareholders on a regular basis. It provides a balance between providing regular income to investors and the administrative efficiency of processing distributions. Comparing to other cash management options. It's worth briefly comparing the distribution frequency of Vanguard Cash Plus to other common cash management tools. Traditional savings accounts. High-yield savings accounts. Certificates of deposit, CDs. Other money market funds. Benefits of monthly distributions. For many investors, monthly distributions from Vanguard Cash Plus offer several advantages. Regular income stream. Faster compounding. Easier tracking. Vanguard Cash Plus typically distributes returns on a monthly basis. This provides investors with a regular stream of income that is usually reinvested to potentially enhance returns through compounding. While the exact day at the end of the month can vary slightly due to weekends and holidays, and the distribution amount will fluctuate with market interest rates, the monthly frequency offers a predictable schedule for those looking to earn a return on their uninvested cash in a Vanguard brokerage account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.